Trying to eat low carb? Let me show you how I turn simple mincemeat into a delicious flavour-packed meal in under 15 minutes. No stress. Using 10% fat, and I'm not adding any oil to this recipe. I'm just going to take my mince as it is, dump it there. Remember, the pan is already heated, so I'm going to leave this for a few minutes and brown it on this side, and then I'm going to brown it on the other side before I crumble it up. So I browned it over this side for about 2 minutes, so I'm browning the other side for about 2 minutes, now crumble it up. Break it up. I'm adding in some chili pepper, because I can't do without my chili pepper. This is fresh pepper. I'm still going to add a bit more pepper. Like this. Onion powder. A tiny bit of taco, taco seasoning, which has salt. Don't be deceived, this is not really 100% carnivore if you look at the ingredients, but it's not too bad. Adding in some cream cheese. There you go. Some beef stock that's left. Cover that up. Just a bit. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this recipe, and please kindly subscribe, like and comment. Have a lovely day and God bless you. Bye bye.